There's no place like space. All about our solar system. This book was written by Tish Rabb and illustrated by Aristides Ruiz. It's our title page. Another title page. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There is no place like space, I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 9 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury's close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. So over here it's nighttime, and up here it's daytime. See the temperature difference? She's covered up with a blanket down there, and up here, sweating up a storm because it's so hot. On Venus, the weather is always the same. Hot, dry, and windy, with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home, and home to thing 1 and thing 2. Oh my goodness. Before we get to our next planet, let's read this sign right here. Today's weather on Venus, really, really hot. Nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Windy and dry. How'd you like to live there? If it was 900 degrees. Holy moly. Wouldn't be very fun. You have been living on this next planet each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. It is our planet. What's the name of our planet? You guessed it. Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it never will stop. It's our home, sweet home. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we are spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here. Achoo! Because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light. Who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, you see, is a beautiful blue. If you lived on Pluto, it would not be nice. Some astronomers think it is covered with ice. It is chilly and cold every night and all day, for the sun's just a speck in the sky, far away. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. We have seen all 9 planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Now, here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imaginations, and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. There's a dog, the Great Bear, and Leo the lion. There's Taurus the bull, and a hunter, Orion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball, and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star called... Anyone know what it is? It rhymes with fun. The sun. From the Earth, it looks big. There is one reason why. It's closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt, and that would not be fun. That's why I wear sunglasses, because the sun is really bright. Sometimes it hurts my eyes, even when I'm not looking right at it. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 1,000,000 of our Earths could all fit right in it. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror, it reflects the sun's light. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So, I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go, fly back up to the stars and take things 1 and thing 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something new. That's the end.